Hello backers, and basically a warm welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we'll be making spaghetti with salmon and watercress. Right, okay, so for this video I'm going to be using 150 grams of whole wheat spaghetti, 135 grams of smoked salmon, 100 grams of watercress, 90 grams of frozen peas, and 75 grams of creme fraiche, and some chives. Apologies if I pronounce that wrong. Okay, so season a pan full of water with salt and bring it to the boil. Right, okay, so a few minutes before the end of cooking you need to add the frozen peas and mix them in. Right, now I've drained it and I've drained it thoroughly. I'm now going to return it to the pan. Okay, take it to where I've got more space. Okay, and the hobs, I've made sure the hob is off now. Okay, so going to add 4 tablespoons of chives, 2, okay, and I've added the cream and okay, and gonna stir a little bit. Okay, make sure and get this all coated. Right, okay, so I'm gonna gently stir in the salmon and the watercress. Okay. Apologies for the steam. So there you have it, spaghetti, salmon and watercress. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and okay, please do subscribe and press the notification bell and comment if you haven't done so already. All that helps with the algorithm. And remember, if you're learning to cook, if you want to learn to cook, and whether or not you're autistic, do remember, I have your back.